Question: what is torque? Also explain torque on a rigid body. Answer: torque. Definition: torque is the rotational effect of a force applied at some distance from the axis of rotation. It determines the turning ability of the force. Formula: in vector form, torque equals position vector cross force vector. In magnitude, torque equals R multiplied by F multiplied by sine theta. Units: the SI unit of torque is Newton meter. Dimension: the dimensional formula of torque is m1, L2, t power minus 2. Nature: torque is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. Direction: the direction of torque is determined using the right-hand rule. It is always perpendicular to the plane formed by the position vector and the force vector. Sign convention: if the torque causes counterclockwise rotation, it is taken as positive. If the torque causes clockwise rotation, it is taken as negative. Factors affecting torque: 1. Magnitude of the force. 2. Distance from the axis of rotation. 3. Angle between the position vector and the force vector. Special cases: if theta is 0 degrees or 180 degrees, sine theta is 0, and torque is 0. If theta is 90 degrees, sine theta is 1, and torque is maximum. Torque on a rigid body. When multiple forces act on a rigid body, net torque is equal to the sum of individual torques. That is, torque net equals R1 cross F1 plus R2 cross F2 and so on. If the net torque is 0, the body is in rotational equilibrium. Importance of torque. Torque is essential in rotational motion. It is used in machines, tools, and vehicles. Torque is also important for balancing systems and is crucial in many engineering applications.